Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Karen. I love doing little tutorials here. For today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to get a more intermediate type of half cut crease. It involves more vibrant colors and a little bit of a different half cut crease shape. It's gonna look something like this. I have a previous video that shows a more basic half cut crease. If you are interested in that, I'll go ahead and try to link it up somewhere here. But yeah, this is the look for today, so if you want to see how I got that, stay tuned. So now for this look, I'm going to be going in with an Arvina Volume 2 palette just because it has every color necessary to create the gradient I want, which is one that involves yellows, greens, and blues. But if you have any other palette on hand that provides you with those colors, go ahead and use that. And now let me get you a little bit closer so we can get started. So the first step we will be doing is we're going to be packing on all the colors we will be using. I'm going in with A2, which is a vibrant like yellow green type of shade, and I'm going to be placing it right above my crease at the beginning of my eye. Go ahead and go to B1 and pat that a little right on top of it and a little bit after. After placing B1, you're going to go in with B3, which is more of a blue toned green, and you're going to place it after that. And this one, you're going to bring it down to the outer corner of your eye. And as you can see, while packing this up, I'm already establishing the shape I want my eyeshadow to take. Now I'll be taking E3 on the outer corner. Like so. And start bringing it up a little bit. Now I'll be going in with C4 and really just focusing it on the outer corner and bringing it slightly inwards just to define the shape. After that, I'll be going in with D5, which is a dark navy blue color, and just use it as the darkest shade and just placing it on the outermost part of my outer corner. After that, we'll be going in with our blending brush and slightly tapping the colors to blend. Okay, now in a fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with A2 and B1, and I'm going to buff it all out and just really dragging it up. Just trying to mesh everything together. So fair warning, this is one of those looks where it's like, it's going to look worse before it gets better, so be patient with yourself. It'll all come together at the end. Next step is cutting the crease. So we're going to start by cutting a normal crease, just stamping it through. If you have hooded eyes, it helps if you check that it's showing up with your eyes open. Now, the difference between this cut crease and the rest is that I kind of flared it out at the top and kept it shorter at the bottom. I'm extending the bottom part to like the midpoint of my eye, and the top part I'm going to do a little flick like so. So for this cut crease, I first went in with makeup remover just to sketch out where I wanted the cut crease to be. I will now be going in with a concealer to make sure it's nice and crisp. Side note, this whole makeup remover then concealer technique I got from @Rocio_Ceja. You guys should totally watch her. She's amazing, amazing human, amazing makeup tips. Go check her out. So now it's going to be fairly simple. You're going to get a little flat brush with your concealer and you're going to just stamp along the outline you've already created. What you're aiming for is making the edges really nice and crisp. I'm going to go in with my flat brush and just tap along the edges. I'm going to go in with C1 from the Arvina palette and tap it on the beginning of our cut crease. And our second part of the top of our cut crease, I'm going to go in with A3, which is a more lime green color, and I'm going to use that for a little flick at the end. So just packing on this blue and then taking a fluffy brush and just using this brush to kind of blend the blue. Then going in with D1 from the Arvina palette, I'm going to use it as the first topper, and then going in with the glitter topper from the Fenty Beauty palette, the light blue, and slightly tapping it. Now I'll be taking some black gel liner and just angling it upwards to emphasize the shape. Just kind of stamping it on. For this step, if you go in with a flat rectangular brush like this, it's much easier because you just kind of have to like stamp along the edges and the shape creates itself. Now for the bottom lash line, I will be first going in with B3 and just running it, then going in with C4, then going in with D5 and E5, which is just a black, and focusing it on the outermost corner. After that, going in with my little blending brush, I'm just going to do an overall finishing touch blend. As one of the finishing touches, I'm going to go ahead and line the outer corner of my bottom lash line with a blue, and then lining the inner portion of my eye with a white. I'm just going to go ahead and pop on a pair of falsies and I'll show you the finished look. So yeah guys, there's the finished look, eyelashes and all. So yeah guys, like I said, this is the finished look. We have reached the end. I do want to put it out there that if this is your first time working with colors, working with pigments, trying out this type of look, don't get discouraged if you don't get it the first time. Colors, pigments, and all of that is tricky. It's finicky, it's hard to get used to, so don't feel bad. I hope my video serves as a guide for your first attempt and for your 10th attempt. I hope it helps provide you guidance during your practice of these new techniques. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. And if you like me and my videos, go ahead and subscribe. That's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.